Welcome to my channel if this is your first time, and welcome back if this is not. And this is how the package comes from Amazon, shipped with 2 screws and a screwdriver, because you need a very small, tiny little screwdriver to put the screws back in. Here I'm showing you just how my LCD screen looks. It's in bad shape right now. So I had a regular rubber band around it, but the rubber band eventually popped, so then I had to find a scrunchie, a tie that could fit around it just right. And so this is the only thing I had, and so I had this on there until my replacement screws came in, and I will link them in the description box down below if you need some. This happened with my camera before, and I went to a tech place and they found some screws and put it in there for me, but this time I did it myself. So okay, as you can see, the screen, both screws came out at the bottom on both sides, and I did not have the screws, so I ordered some. It's very easy. The hardest part is getting the screws to line up with the hole. Once you do that, it's easy from there. And then you just want to make sure that they are really tight, and that is it. And you have a functioning LCD screen once again, because you know vlogging is not easy without your LCD screen to be able to see what you are filming. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. And if you didn't, just leave. Bye. Lord say the same. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and double check to make sure you subscribe.